Hey guys, I'm Scott. Hope you're having a great day and thanks for supporting the channel. Now sometimes we get so lost in music theory and practicing the guitar, we forget the reason we first started to learn the guitar, which is playing great songs. Once we have the basics down, we need to hear how they sound playing interesting riffs and melodies. One of my favorite songs for string skipping and walkdowns is Boston's More Than a Feeling. Our focus is going to be on the D major chord, and it's going to have a sus4 accent, and then we're going to follow it with a C, B, G walkdown, and this makes for a pretty interesting and distinctive riff. It doesn't take too long for this to start sounding really good, and that's going to make it very hard to resist not learning the whole song. I hope you found this interesting. I'm Scott, and I'll see you again soon.